It's 2021 and we wanted to start the year with the best way possible, which is refreshing everything, taking out everything old, bringing in everything new, enjoying amazing products, and what's the best way to do it with your Boxycharm box. And if you don't know what Boxycharm is a makeup subscription box that only for $25 will deliver amazing makeup, skincare, and other beauty products to your home. So with that being said, what are we waiting for? Y'all want to see the spoilers? I have them right here. I'm wearing them right now. Let's go. Let's jump into it. The first palette that we have is the Violet Boss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. This is a gorgeous palette that has olives and green tones inside of it that they complement perfectly each other. It includes 3 different beautiful formulas inside. It has gorgeous mattes, beautiful metallics, and impactful foils. Everything that you need to create gorgeous eyeshadow looks. And actually it's the one that I used today. As you can see, this green is poppin'. The next palette that we have is the Seattle London Velvet eyeshadow palette. And I honestly love this eyeshadow palette because it includes a mix of metallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes that is just, they look gorgeous, honestly. The palette by itself, as you can see, it has this texture on the eyeshadows that they just look stunning, and they are super pigmented on the eye. I also used them on my eyes today. Next we have from Pharmacy Beauty the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. This is an oil-free and a silicone-free daily moisturizer that gives you an amazing hydration throughout the day without leaving your skin feeling greasy, which is the best, honestly. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and in the formula it includes hyaluronic acid, so it minimizes your pores and it makes you look amazing for the whole day. The next product that we have is also from Pharmacy, but it's the Deep Sweet 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner. This is an alcohol-free 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates and cleanses your pores, and it's really good for people who have combination skin or that have oily skin or acne-prone skin. The best product to clean out your pores, honestly. The next product that we have is the 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer from Pure, the Complexion Authority. It's a multi-purpose, all-in-one sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and even a foundation that includes an SPF 20, and it's great for effortless beauty. I put it on today and I love the texture of it. How do I look, charmers? And now, talking about skincare, I need to tell y'all, because I'm so excited that we're having the Avant Skincare by Face Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. I know it's a long name, and if you read the bottle, it's even a longer name, but this product really works. I've been loving it because it's infused with replenishes ingredients. It has hyaluronic acid that I already love because it minimizes all of my pores, and it has micellar water. So it's the perfect thing to remove makeup, to clean my face. If I need to just swipe it up really quickly, dissolve my makeup and rub it off, this is it. And it minimizes the pore, which is amazing. The next product that we have is the Lifestyle Co. Reset Mist. So the Reset Mist is a body and linen spray that it's infused with lavender and tea tree oil. So it's amazing. And this, you can use it in 2 different ways. You can either spray it on your bed right before you go to bed and you want to have a calm sleep night, or in the morning, if you just want to refresh and retone your face, spray it a couple of times and you're good to go. The next skincare product that we have is the Dr. Brand Do Not Age with Dr. Brand Triple Peptide Eye Cream. This is a super hydrating peptide-powered cream that helps you diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area. It works on wrinkles, it works on dark circles, it works against the puffiness, and it gets you refreshed. It's literally the perfect product for your eyes. I love it. Are you as excited as I am about getting all of these products? Because I know that I just use all of these, but I'm taking this home. I don't know about y'all, but this is mine right now. I want to know, charmers, from you, so let me know in the comments down below. First, which product are you excited to try out? Second, which product do you like that I was wearing today? Which ones do you think I was rocking? And third, if you're excited to get your Boxycharm box, because I am, you are, we all are. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you click that bell so you can get notified every time that we post a new video, because we got like a bunch of new videos coming up and you'll see these beautiful faces doing crazy stuff with makeup, with skincare, and with great products that we have throughout the whole months. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel. Go for it. Did you do it? It's down here. The thing, did you click? Okay, there you go. You clicked it. Oh, you're so cute. I love you. I'll see you in the next one, charmer. Bye.